Hello, my name is Apariday Stubin, and for my final presentation today, I will discuss Chapter 10's Childhood Development. I further researched the topic Development of Memory Monitoring. This topic intrigued me to discover why children have difficulties memorizing in early age. Also, what parts of the brain control memory and whether other countries have also researched this topic. Well, let's get started. Researchers believe that the part of the brain that deals with our recollection and familiarity is called the hippocampus. The hippocampus is located deep in the brain and is hidden within the medial part of the temporal lobe. This part of the brain is not fully developed at birth, and this causes an effect known as infantile amnesia, which is why most people can't retrieve their memories from infancy to the age of 2. The hippocampus doesn't fully develop until the age of 7. According to Chapter 10 on page 246, as we grow from infancy to adulthood, cognitive changes occur that enables us to learn and solve problems more efficiently. It also states that children between the age of 5 and 6 will have difficulty memorizing, and by the age of 12, learning abilities show a great improvement. Here we have a photo of the brain development. So we're going to start off with number one. Number one is a picture of the brainstem, and this is where the pons and the medulla is located. So from the age of 1 to 5 months, a child, the only thing that they can do at this time is learn survival functions and primary reflexes. Uh, the next part two, is the midbrain. This is where the hippocampus is located. And between the ages of 4 to 13 months, this is where it deals with the motor control and emotions. Now, part three is our cortex, and this is from the ages of 8 months to 8 years. And during this cortex part, this is where we're able to now start to be able to familiarize and have a greater recollection, because around this age, this is where our hippocampus is fully developed. Because remember, like I stated, it actually develops at the age of 7. So this is where our higher thinking functions are starting to come about. Now, stage four, that's our prefrontal cortex. And that's going to be from the age of 9 all the way to the age of 25. So, this is dealing with our language, this is dealing with the metacognitive skills. This is where we're able to fully memorize, fully be able to full capacity of recollection and familiarity. And this is why we're able to memorize whatever, faces, names, different places. The University of Queensland, Australia, conducted similar research on the process of memory in the brain. Australian research states that different types of memories are stored across interconnected brain areas. Their research states that memories of special events, general facts, and information are formed in the hippocampus, the neocortex, and the amygdala. It also states motor memories are in the basal ganglia and the cerebellum, and our working memory, such as memorizing, is in the prefrontal cortex. In conclusion, my research shows that the reason we cannot fully grasp the skill of memorizing between infancy and the age of 7 is because of the hippocampus. Our hippocampus, cortex, and prefrontal cortex collectively work together so we can recall, familiarize, and memorize. Thank you for your time and have a great day.